Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new chapter, unit number 10, training and doping in sports, in which we are going to cover seven important topics: meaning and concept of sports training, principle of sports training, warming up and limbering down, skill, technique and style, concept and classification of doping, prohibit substance and their side effects, dealing with alcohol and substance abuse. So this is our unit number 10. First, what do you mean by training? Training is not a new concept for anybody to reach their fitness goal, but it is a long time process of preparation for some task. The main aim of sports training is to provide players with wellness, fitness and adaptability. So training becomes necessary to prepare for competitions and attain success. Some other factors are there which makes a player performance better, such as special rehabilitation treatments, means of assessment of performance capacity, use of supplementary extra training, special diet, psychological factor, extra competitions. So these are also the another factor that affect the performance of a player. So the a player does these activities, the body gets used to bearing more and more weight. He can easily face difficult situation. That's why it has been stated that sports training help a player to adapt to the difficult situation through planned exercise. So this is the main aim, this is the main task, you can say, that affect the performance of a player. So that is the concept of training. What is the meaning of sports training? Preparation for any sports is a long time process and a hard task. The main aim of training is to prepare player to do much better in competitions. Sports training is a process which is based on scientific fact and directions. The main objective of sports training is to enhance the player performance. It enables the player to do the best performance mentally and physically. So here are the some definitions of sports training. According to Matthew, sports training is the basic form of preparation of sportsmen. So here are some definitions. Sports training is a planned process which aim as improving a player fitness and wellness. It is a long time process which is progressive. It recognizes the personal needs and ability of a player. Sports training program utilize exercises for developing the necessary characteristics for a particular event. So sports training is necessary for every player for their best performance psychologically, mentally, physically. So in sports training, planned exercise are there which affect the performance of the player. Next आता है, what is the concept? What is the concept of sports training? The aim of sports training is to achieve maximum individual or team efficiency in a selected sports discipline limited by rules. Performance is understood as an extent to which motor task is accomplished. An ability to achieve a given performance repeatedly is referred to an efficiency. So, to reach maximum efficiency in any activity is not possible over a day. Efficiency is conditioned by several interrelated areas. Sports training focus on reaching maximum efficiency in motor abilities associated with a certain sports discipline. Sports person performance depend on motor ability, motor skills, which are closely related to the sports discipline. Motor ability can be described as energetic needs to carry out locomotive activities. Locomotive activities means activities related to your bones, joints, muscles. They include force, speed, endurance, coordination, flexibilities. So, component of physical fitness means motor abilities which are conditioned for maximum jump height. Psychological component is manifested on the outside by the player's reliance on him or herself to solve game situations successfully. So it will not be a wrong to say that sports training is understood as a process of systematic development of each component in dependence on the duration of preparation. So this is all about the first topic, meaning and concept of sports training. I think the meaning and concept of sports training is clear to everyone. Thank you very much.